Biakamal ka Nuer online TV channel ka jan gwasme bana racha ka breaking news ray wicha ka South Sudan. Men ban lar ka jan gwasme mala breaking news ki laram be ban lim gwasme laram inshallah da kuumɛ South Sudan no ken bi ka kok ka majin chal ke tear gas. Tear gas jan amat min mitka mala dwach kane jan eti nyona chikala no biken majimo biken kok. Ka duob dan en chicken wiki jen wo kan we South Sudan cha tiang kaneten kon telat ke jek ka kwije mo bu kuumɛ South Sudan bakok ke tear gas ki ma mitka chicken raja mo chicken kwen agenda na gore no bakole lat je gwasa me duob dan en kok and tear gas ke je ki ngum chicken lat kan dupren kon dong bikan maje mo bikan kok je mela breaking news gwas me men go rala de kuumɛ South Sudan jala no bekok ka maj min mitka en maj min mitka na ba kok ba je kula dwas ka jinyoni chiram kel mela kur police ni jala tan raja mo no ba tear gas ba je kok ko do bran ba kok je o take gangs kene te kono nyon kana ala ngene ten kono nyon kana ba kula dwas ka maj min mitka a ko raja mo chikena kwen ngay kon la kuumɛ South Sudan te roile kana la ne chang kana la no ne tele ne tear gas jeno bne ya dwech match ke bne nak dio ja sha video ne ken wan tele kan right and chaka ne kon de la police ne la kana le na ne chang ka tok pan mi te gri to kana nang na ko ngay ken no te rambe ke tech gon mai la gono na kana ne chang no mo jena dan e chikana lat ka gwase dan no mo antama chi ramda lines inspector general of police IGP chela no taken ka plan ki do mi jikare alga no be kan match maj min mit kana mo be kana ko je ki ba je non ka je goro je no baje kwenye gwasa me ke to English na no chai non ka je ko ne ko ndinga to English be kana ko ling gwada me man chalat the Inspector General of Police has announced plan to acquire tear gas and other crowd control tool for the law enforcement officers and ordered the police force to act with seriousness in tackling gang-related insecurity in Juba. General Abraham Manyuat outlined key policies to address what he termed a growing trend of gang-related and other criminal activities in his directive to police officers. During a parade at the Police Department of Information, Communication and Technology on Monday, he revealed that the police will be equipped with all needed equipment, including electric, stick, and tear gas. Manuat said the unruly gangs and related criminal activities have become become a national concern. He described the unruly gang not only as dangerous but a threat to their families and entire population. The issue of gang is your responsibility. Now you have a stick, and very soon we will provide you with electric stick and tear gas, he said. We are people of CID and professional standard. They know where these criminals are, and this is important because if we leave them to take control of the country, that is your failure. Those are dangerous people, and we need them to return to the law. Therefore, we will arrest any niggas. We will open case and take them to court for conviction to jail. Hundreds of idols and jobless youths are said to have grouped themselves into criminal gang in Juba, another major town in the country, and have been linked to violent burglaries and disturbing public peace and safety, according to police report. Young people in South Sudan make up an estimated 72% of the population, but face a numerous challenges that limit their access to education and livelihood opportunities, a situation linked with their involvement in negative practice. The IGP ordered to tame youth gang follow a countrywide protest and looting of shop, apparently triggered by the report killing of South Sudanese civilian in Sudan. Al Jazeera state. The nighttime protests were met with shooting of firearm by security officers to disperse crowd as the South Sudan police lacked tear gas and others non-lethal road control tools. Shimishanen gwaseme en kuumɛ South Sudan janisha ro alaka ko ba mesh tin shit kaman mimitka ba jari alaka ko bane di alaka tin lat ka jeka South Sudan baka kula dwaje man mimitka men bi anga jane ngade ja gwan wo shi gang ne ko dien ba dwan ma jo ngai kono kon ka kwengwe ni ngum bu tuogre de ki ngun bu ren ladon neme ngoda bo be beje mith ka gwasen be so ajandan en gode nywa yakel man chala de kuumɛ South Sudan kata dan kala jen wo bi ken tear gas bi ken kok ki man mi mit ka en bi atikamal ban jigal bye bye